Blush. Show shyness, embarrassment, or shame by becoming red in the face. Become rosy or reddish. Blush is physiological occurrence of temporary redness of the face as an emotional response may be due to modesty, shame or embarrassment.
For the first time, it's nice, so hopefully win this game and we can have a drink after. Don't blush, baby.
I'm not blushing.
Blush is used both as verb and noun. I always blush when I speak in public. The girl blushed when a young man whistled as she walked by. Etymology. Bluskin, bliskin, to shine brightly, to look, gaze, stare, probably from Old English bliskan blush, become red, glow. Middle Low German blusen, to light a fire. Now its mnemonic word sounds like flush, when you flush your face it becomes red. Moreover also sounds like brush. Teeth shine when brushed. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.